Hey, to connect two JBL Go 4 speakers together, all you have to do is just to first connect one of this speaker to the JBL Portable application. So I did it with this blue speaker. If you don't know how to do this with the Android or iOS, you can find this tutorial on my YouTube channel. So when you connect this speaker, you will have to go into the stereo group. Now your blue speaker, my blue speaker, is visible. And what I have to do with the second speaker is just simply turn it on by clicking once on the power button. Like this. Let's turn it on, there we go. And now I have to click on this button once. Just click on it once. If it doesn't work, try to repeat. You will hear that sound. And now we can try to go back from this one, open it one more time. If it doesn't work, still click on it again. And now we can find our stereo party. So click to create. Now just wait for it. It's creating, so we have to wait around a few moments. And there we go. Now it works, we are connected. And I can also play some music for you just to check if it works properly. Maybe right here.
Do plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top floor right there. I'll do any. Yeah. Oh, no.
So as you can hear it sound, it play music from the left and the right speaker. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.